Hi everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from Cheeky Seats, and today we are going to show you how to install one of our Honda Grom seat covers. That is what we make, folks, seat covers. So this is a 2017 to 2020 seat, and the cover that we made here is an Alcantara double diamond with Tiffany piping and Tiffany stitching and matte black sides. We're going to show you how easy it is to install this. So, starting at the back, we put that over the edge, get that started. This is a stock Grom seat. Hold that into position while you pull it around and over the front. You're going to notice a black line around the inside edge. That lines up with the edge of your seat, so you know where to position it. We start from front to back, and then pull over the sides. Once you get the sides arranged there, adjust the pull stop. And then there is a process of, massaging the cover into place in all position. And there you have it, in under a minute. Beautiful new look for your Honda Grom. Thanks.